the armed forces of Russia and Ukraine reported updates from front line. The gunfights continued in some places June 13th.
В ходе боевых действий на Купянском направлении авиация группировки войск Запад нанесла.
During combat operations in Kupyansk direction, the aviation of Zapad Group of Forces conducted 8 missile and bombing strikes against temporary deployment areas, clusters of manpower, weapons and military hardware of the 14th Separate Mechanized Brigade and 103rd Separate Territorial Defence Brigade. In the defence area of the 1st Tank Army, during counter-battery warfare near Volchiy tract, the Giatsint-S self-propelled gun under the command of Junior Sergeant Yevgeny Sviridov destroyed a Polish-made Krab anti-tank gun. In addition, Msta-S self-propelled gunfire near Vishnevoye hit an enemy mortar emplacement, said the Russia Defense Ministry on official statement June 13. An air defense group near Kolomiychikha employed a Buk SAM system to destroy a Sinitsa UAV, and a Strela man-portable air defense system near Olshany to shot down a copter-type UAV. The Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesman Lieutenant General Igor Konashenkov said in total, the armed forces of Ukraine lost 442 fighter jets and 238 helicopters, 4,585 unmanned aerial vehicles, 426 air defense missile systems, 9,939 tanks and other armored combat vehicles. Also 1,122 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 5,100 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,927 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kyiv, the Ukrainian armed forces in an official statement June 14, said Russia lost 680 soldiers in a single day, including 8 tanks, 11 armored personnel carriers, 17 artillery units and 15 drones. In total, Moscow lost 217,330 servicemen since their launching full-scale aggression into Ukrainian territories. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 477 days. There is still no peace settlement between two sides.
Сучасні винищувачі. Коли буде фізично обмежена нашим повітряним щитом російська здатність бити по наших містах і селах, тільки тоді держава-терорист зрозуміє, що у миру для всіх українців і у програшу для Росії немає альтернатив. Друге – це знищення основи для терору, для виробництва державою-терористом нових ракет. На жаль, Росія досі має можливість отримувати критичні компоненти для виробництва ракет, які створені компаніями з різних країн світу, в тому числі компаніями з деяких країн-партнерів. Різними шляхами ці компоненти потім поставляють в Росію.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.